Let me begin with what FinTech can do for an inclusive society, using Singapore as an example. This is the vision. Every citizen and every enterprise, digitally enabled and financially included. I will highlight 4 ongoing initiatives for the financial and digital inclusion of individuals. Pervasive electronic payments, affordable cross-border remittances, timely health insurance claims, and holistic financial planning. Fundamental to the digital inclusion of individuals and to the success of a digital economy is the ability to make an electronic payment. By broadening access to a common, interoperable e-payment infrastructure, we extend the benefits of a digital economy to a wider range of users. Singapore's retail e-payment infrastructure, FAST, enables 24/7 real-time fund transfers through the banking system. PayNow, which rides on FAST, allows us to send money to the bank accounts of individuals using just their mobile phone numbers or personal ID numbers, and to businesses using their unique entity numbers. This secure, interoperable e-payment infrastructure has supported a boom in e-commerce and a variety of online services, especially after COVID-19. 4 out of 5 individuals and 3 out of 4 active businesses in Singapore have adopted PayNow. PayNow monthly transaction values have crossed the $3 billion US dollar mark, a 4-fold jump from July 2019. From February next year, our e-payment infrastructure will be extended to non-bank e-wallet payment providers. E-wallet users will be able to transfer funds in real time between their e-wallets and their bank accounts and across different e-wallets. This completes the last mile in Singapore's journey to create an open and accessible e-payment ecosystem. But making payments abroad continues to be slow, costly, and inefficient. And Singapore is home to many foreign nationals and migrant workers who send money back to their home countries frequently. If we can make cross-border remittances cheaper and faster, our migrant workers can provide better and more timely support for their families. 3 years ago, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, we embarked on a pioneering journey with the Bank of Thailand to link our respective national faster payment systems, PayNow in Singapore and PromptPay in Thailand. I'm happy to say that the PayNow PromptPay linkage will go live by mid-2021. Anyone who registers for PayNow or PromptPay will be able to send money directly from Singapore to Thailand or vice versa using just their mobile phone numbers, instantly, securely, at competitive rates, and at any time of the day. The linkage between 2 countries' national faster payment systems will be the first of its kind in the world. We will start off with a small group of banks on both sides and scale up participation to include more banks and non-bank providers over time. MAS is keen to partner other central banks in the region to expand the linkage so that more people across Southeast Asia can benefit. Next, pain points relating to making an insurance claim for hospitalization. Today, an individual being hospitalized may face uncertainty over his claimable insurance amount. Hospitals have to access multiple systems to request for or provide information to different insurers. And some of these processes are still paper-based. To enable more efficient claims processing, we are building a technology platform to securely share data with patient consent. MAS, the Ministry of Health, and the Integrated Health Information Systems are collaborating with the insurance and healthcare sectors to build this platform. It will help to reduce duplicate claims, manual errors, and processing time. We will conduct a live pilot next year. Financial inclusion is not just about having access to financial services. It is also about empowering individuals with information and tools to make best use of financial services. Today, our personal financial information, our deposit accounts, investment holdings, pension statements, insurance coverage, and so on, is fragmented across multiple entities. Putting together this information is not easy. But if we don't have a consolidated view of our financial portfolio, how can we do holistic financial planning? Yesterday, our Deputy Prime Minister, Heng Swee Keat, announced the launch of the Singapore Financial Data Exchange, or SG FinDex for short. SG FinDex is jointly developed by MAS and the Smart Nation and Digital Government Group, together with the key retail banks in Singapore. It will enable individuals to consolidate their financial information residing in different banks and different government agencies. This is only the first step. We are working to expand SG FinDex to include data from the central depository as well as data from insurance companies to enable individuals to have an even more complete view of their financial status. SG FinDex underscores an important principle. Your personal financial information belongs to you, and you should be able to have a consolidated view of that information. SG FinDex could well transform financial planning in Singapore. By breaking down information silos, it will enable more holistic financial planning. Authorized financial institutions will have to compete harder among themselves to provide quality financial planning services to their customers. It will empower and enable Singaporeans to enhance their financial well-being.